how to change language in Outlook app. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can change language in Outlook app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Outlook app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Now in the Outlook app, at the top left corner of your screen, you can see your profile picture. So just go ahead and click on that. After that, at the bottom left corner of your screen, you can see gear symbol, which is basically our setting. So just go ahead and click on that. From here, just scroll down and you will see language option. So just click on that. Now, just select your language here that you want to use. For example, I want to change my language to Espanol. So I will just click on that. Now you can see that the interface of the Outlook is changed to Espanol language. So that's how you can change language in Outlook app. That's all for this video.